Taking your phone into the toilet can expose you and others to harmful germs like E. coli and Salmonella. Dr. Lisa Ackerley, a hygiene expert, explains that when you wipe and then immediately handle your phone, bacteria from your hands transfer onto it, rendering hand washing ineffective. Dr. Ron Cutler, Director of Biomedical Science degree programs at Queen Mary University of London, advises against bringing your phone into the toilet to prevent the spread of fecal contamination and viruses. The level of contamination depends on the location, with higher risks in places such as hospitals or cruise ships where viruses may be circulating. Additionally, toilet spray can travel up to 6 feet, so it's important to keep toothbrushes and phones away from the toilet area. Germs can survive on phones for extended periods, particularly in warm environments, and handling sweets can create a favorable environment for bacteria. Therefore, it is recommended to wash your hands with soap and water and keep your phone in your pocket or bag when using the toilet to maintain better hygiene. If you liked the video, subscribe the channel.